Shane Nutt, I told you we was gonna be back. 70 Coronet is right here. I just had to see y'all. Y'all people had to see this. Look at this. Original black interior. It's there, but I mean, just having it there. Look at the 4-speed right there. Deluxe interior with the chrome bezels around the pedals. We got to take it back over to Shade Nook. We got the green Charger back over there. I don't know if y'all seen it yet, but it is back over at Shade Nook. I'm going to leave this one here. Let's go find something else. What we got over here? Come on over here, honey. Look, we got an old blue 72 Charger. No, 73. Look at that, sitting in the weeds, 73 Charger, blue, black stripe. Total,
That's a Charger? What is it?
73 Dodge Charger.
Okay.
Look at the interior. Looks like it was a console. It's still all there. White interior.
Oh,
Look
man,
the
these thorns. You got to get rid of them.
right there. Oh, that's your...
Oh, no, it's not.
Come on.
Sorry. Oh, gosh.
Look at the white interior. Come on in here.
Okay. I know.
Yes, okay. Look at the white interior. 4-barrel breather right there. Bucket seats. Floor shift console looks in really good shape. Oh,
wow, really?
goodness.
To be honest with you, that console's not in bad shape.
Unbelievable. 1973, blue. I don't know what that is. Baby blue. Oh boy! But hey, we're gonna leave the Coronet there. I've got something on my mind. If y'all want to go with us, we're glad to have you. Let's go on forklift. Let's go, Mama. Come on. I'll get the briar back. Come on.
Okay, thank you.
All these briars. Come on.
Oh, shoot.
All right, here we go. We've got the Coronet right there. The Roadrunner 68, been there for years. There's Coronet, but I had something else on my mind. And we are going to hit the thing, and here we go. We'll take just a minute. All right, here we go. Not that bad. It's really nice out tonight, you know. No wind, you know. Really nice. Here's that blue Charger, 68 runner. Another 69 up the top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, but I got one on my mind down here. If y'all want to go down there and get it with me. So appreciate you coming with us. All right. Old 4-door Dodge. Y'all don't see them much anymore. 73, 45, something like that. 500 Charger right there, back into one. Ah, what a beautiful day. A Saturday. People had their hot rods out. Man, it was great, I tell you. 4 or 5 people come by with cars on trailers and whoa. And we just had a good time. We really did. Showing people Shade Nook and everything. It was just great. It was just great. All right, I got something on mine. We're just going to get that rascal. All right, hang on. I haven't seen this little car in years. We dug it out the other day. Like I told you, people, when plans change. I like that. I like that. Hey, what are you going to do? Let's just get them all. Let's just get all these rascals. I want this little blue 68 I think it's a dead gum. It might be a satellite. The tree right there by the shelf. Oh, here we go. I should take the challenger over there and call it quits, but I want them all. I want all these cars. I want to build them all. Oh, whoa, hang on. Got 70 challenges on there. Whoa. 70 Challenger too, but I'm trying to get this blue 68. We'll get to it tomorrow. We're going to take it home too.
68, what? Satellite? I like the Challenger much better. It's a GTX. How do you know? Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, well, we'll get to it tomorrow. I said that's going to be it. We'll get this Challenger over there. We'll move that 4-speed car over there. We don't need daylight left. Let's just, y'all people just hang with us right here. We're going to take this little Challenger up there. I haven't even looked at it, but I know I love it. Oh, my. Look. Oh. Unbelievable. Look at the old value wagon.
Whoa, you're knocking off the truck.
Sorry about that. Sorry, Challenger. Alright, look at the green to the under. Oh, we gotta get it, honey. We gotta get it.
Tomorrow, we're losing daylight. Let's go. Come on, let's go. I still need a Band-Aid.
Well, alright. Right now, we're having fun. Video is going up here. Look at this. Oh my God. Challenger. Imagine what goes on here at night, all the ghosts out there. Woo. Could be rough. Wow. Challenger, look at that. Look at that horrendous crash. Look at the here. Oh, look at it. We probably had before. Jump off here and look at it. Wow, look at the horrendous crash.
Oh, man. That was a tough one.
1970 Challenger, look. Oh. Unbelievable. Wow. Hit hard right there, honey. I wonder what you look like a train.
You look like a train.
Wow. Well, a lot of them out here like that. Y'all want people want to come out and look around? Sure. All right, let's go, Bobby. We got 10 Challenger on there.
What does this go to? What's that go to?
You tell me. It goes to a Roadrunner over there. Get a hold of it. Get a hold of it. I know the car goes on. It's right over there. I know the car that thing goes on. People, you don't believe me, look at the strike. I'm going to show you the car goes on. Next episode, of course. Next episode. All right. Oh, my goodness. The horrendous crash of the 1970 Dodge Challenger. Wow. Hop on, Mama. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Love it. Oh, 69 notchback cougar right there. Another Challenger right there.
68's a good year.
Unbelievable. All right. Probably gonna have to try to figure out a way to keep the phone charged up more because we have got a lot of cars. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, another one. Oh, a couple of horrendous crashes. Let's go over there and look at it.
Man, look at the roof, it's peeled up.
Look at the horrendous crash. Look back here, honey. Look how smashed the motor is in there. This thing's been sitting here since the 70s, 78, 77. Look at that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, the 7-month challenge. Y'all seen it. I've shown it to you before. Y'all seen it. Couple good doors, good body. Oh, we gotta get out of here. When you're in the salvage yard, your mind changes. I'm telling you. We came over looking for something, and this is what we end up with. We're having so much fun. So much fun. It's unbelievable. Trees up here. Another barracuda right here. There's an orange challenger. There's another one right here, 1970. Why is there a car on top of it? Why is there a car on top of it? Wow, another horrendous crash. Come over and check this out. Right there. Another collision right there from the 70s.
Yeah, that was a bad one, too.
Oh, my God. Look at the dash, honey. Mama, look at the dash. Wow. What's the tag say? I wonder how long this thing's been here. This thing has been here. No, no tag. No tag. Wow. Wow. Can you believe it? I can't believe it.
Oh, shoot. Honey, they want to know if you drink a lot of coffee.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. Oh, what's up?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, no, don't let me get that. Man.
Look, 4-speed. I mean, obviously, that we cut the back end of it off. Probably insurance deal back in the 70s, 73, 45. Need a tail clip, Autometal Direct. I don't know if they were around then, but I don't know. 4-speed car right here. No telling what this thing was worth. Oh, why I could have.
Yeah, orange is...
Cut the tail off. Orange. Oh, my.
Been hard to cut this one up.
Nope, take it back. No 6-cylinder. Oh my goodness. Okay, before we run out of diesel, we better get this old Challenger over there. We got the Charger over there, and boy, it looks good. It looks good. Oh, another. Oh, look at this. 73 Barracuda. Smashed. There's a tag on it. The tag's on it. I can't read it. 74. 1974. We cut this side off of it, but this side was damaged. Oh, look at the Challenger. Oh, wow. Why is there a car on top? There's a CUDA on top of it. I love the stride. Wow. Wow. Here we go. Let's get on the forklift, honey, before we change our mind again. Woo. All right, here we go.
Hey, don't drop it.
All right, the corn is coming past. We're just tracking this last 2 years off. All right, here we go.
Okay, let's meet them back at the building.
We're gonna meet you back at the building. We're gonna put this over there, and we're gonna talk about that little green Charger, and possibly talk about some 68 cars.